Hello, I'm Dr. Terrence Wade, MD. I'm the founder and creator of the 1 Hour Work Week. We specialize in two wealth building activities. Number one, we help you earn a dependable and progressive monthly income. Number two, we help you build generational wealth for you and your family. And all you need is a cell phone. For the past 10 years, I have read, reviewed, and collected tons of wealth building information from literally hundreds of different sources. These sources include ebooks, software, audiobooks, webinars, online courses, and seminars. As a result, I've created the simplest, easiest, and most cost-effective way to make a reliable monthly income and to build generational wealth regardless of your income level or present situation. In a moment, I'm going to tell you about the future of purchasing online products in a way you've never seen before. This new form of online shopping will help you to build financial freedom in three major ways. Number one, it will help you pay off all your debt. Number two, it would help you earn a dependable and progressive monthly income. And number three, it would help you build generational wealth for you and your family. So here's how you participate. Click the link above or below this video. It will take you over to our website where you can get more details. As you scroll down the page, you will see a button that says, We Pay Your Bills. When you click this button, you will be redirected to a page that explains the benefit of joining our Facebook group community. After you have scanned this page, click the button that says, Join our Facebook community. This is where you will get started. After you join our Facebook community, on the inside, you will find a bunch of great information about what we do and all the activities we engage in as a community. You will be greeted by one or more accountability coaches. Our coaches will help you get started and teach you everything you need to know. The entire process should last less than 1 hour from start to finish. When you join our Facebook community, you get to tap into a simple and an ever-expanding wealth building process where you will receive a free lifetime membership. On social media, 95% of engagement is done by sharing images and videos. To tap into this engagement activity, we have created more than 250 images and live stream videos where our goal is to help your family and friends resolve more than 50 different potential financial crises. As a member of our community, you can help us deliver the good news that we can help them overcome their financial anxieties. But first, let me show you just a few of the images you will post on social media. We help pay your bills. We help you pay for your daycare. We help you pay off your credit card debt. We empower your economic success. We help you purchase health insurance. We help you purchase a home. We help you build generational wealth. We help you live a life of prosperity. These are just a few of our promotional messages. When you share these messages with your family and friends on social media, you get to earn a progressive monthly income. You only need to share our ads on an average of just 1 hour per week using your cell phone, computer, or tablet. You get to invite your family and friends to join our free wealth building community so that we can help resolve their financial crisis. Now, let me tell you about the future of online marketing that you get to be a part of. Every member of our community works as a team. We agree to purchase essential products from our online community store. We then recirculate 97% of the profit back into the community so that everyone benefits. We have 3 levels of products. First tier products. These essential products are the lifeblood of our community. They are everyday household products that we would normally purchase at Walmart, Walgreens, Amazon, or any other national chain retail store where our money is taken out of our communities. Everyone uses these products regardless of their income level. We have more than 2,000 physical products, over 400 digital products, over 400 subcategories, and we continue to expand the number of products. Our product lines include frozen and non-frozen grocery, bath, beauty, and body care, skin care, hair care, vitamins and supplements, baby care, household products of all types, healthcare products, pet care and supplies, and other categories. Second-tier products. These are considered non-essential products, but they are extremely popular. They include top name brands such as Gucci, Michael Kors, Dolce & Gabbana, Coach, Prada, Adidas, Nike, New Balance, Timberland, and many, many more. Third-tier products. These are high-ticket products that are purchased over the course of one's lifetime or for recreational enjoyment. They include automobiles, boats, jewelry, vacation getaways, airline tickets, real estate property. Our ultimate goal is to create an online shopping mall featuring multiple specialty stores so that you can shop your favorite brand products or services using your cell phone, computer, or tablet. So how do you get paid? We use the profits we generate to pay you 5% commission on all store purchases made by the next 100,000 people who follow you. You would earn from $1.25 to $15 on all first-tier product purchases. Second and third-tier product purchases will pay you as high as $200 in commission on a single transaction. You will get paid on multiple streams of first, second, and third-tier products as we continue to expand our inventory selection. There are 3 ways to build generational wealth. Number 1, you will earn a steady stream of reliable monthly income. Number 2, we will provide you free wealth building education, such as credit repair training, how to set up a personal budget, how to determine your net worth, how to invest in real estate, and much more. Number 3, as a community member, you would have the option to become a stock owner in the businesses we develop. Our long-term goal is to build retail stores and other profit-generating businesses in Black and brown communities to create 1 million jobs over the next 10 years. So what's the key to our success? As a community, we must engage in 2 activities to build unlimited wealth. Number 1, we must consistently purchase products, and number 2, we must consistently share our message. Your only requirement is a one-time $25 product purchase. This single purchase is critical to kickstart the wealth building process and to begin recirculating money back into the community. So here's what you do next. Follow the instruction in this video so that you can get started on the fast track to building financial wealth. When you arrive at our Facebook group page, one or more of our friendly accountability success coaches will be eager to help you get started on your pathway to financial freedom. Again, I'm Dr. Terrence Wade, founder and creator of the 1 Hour Workweek. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the Facebook page.